Our goal here at Coppers Rock Hill is to minimize or reduce potential sources of pollution to our stormwater. Stormwater is the runoff that occurs after rain events and has the potential to carry pollutants to the nearest stream. Pollutants can impact aquatic ecosystems and impact our drinking water sources. Our rainwater collects in 3 ponds that lead to 3 outfalls. One pond and outfall is by our south contractor gate. Another pond is adjacent to our employee parking lot, and the outfall is at our west-facing fence line. Our third pond and outfall is located at the southwest corner of our plant. Rainwater is delivered to these locations by grass ditches, graveled areas, and our asphalt services. When releasing to these ponds, it is important to inspect the water and ensure it's free of visual contaminants, as this water will lead directly to our creeks, streams, and rivers. If you see, smell, or suspect a contaminant in our ponds, please contact the plant manager or sheet coordinator for assistance. We currently have a general stormwater discharge permit that is governed by the state of South Carolina that requires certain requirements such as quarterly sampling and visual inspections of our outfalls, monthly inspections of our petroleum-based wax tanks and containment systems, and the overall assessment of our stormwater plan and facility performed on an annual basis. Best management practices are steps that we take to reduce or eliminate our stormwater pollution. Some of our best management practices are collecting rainwater in containment areas and reusing it as processed water. Another is providing shelter over our copper carbonate bag dumpsters and our used metal drums. We also wash our pallets off thoroughly, removing any potential copper dust before stacking them outside. Our spill response procedures require us to immediately contain any spill in our building, and once contained, begin cleanup immediately. Our main goal with all spills is to keep them from soil, gravel, and grassy areas to protect our groundwater and surface runoff. Spill kits are located throughout the facility and should contain necessary material to contain and clean spills. Remember to always wear appropriate PPE when cleaning spills. All spills need to be reported as an environmental incident in our focus system immediately. If you're unsure how to accomplish this, please ask for assistance. In addition to our best management practices and spill response, there are areas of improvement that our stormwater pollution prevention team have identified as future goals to improve our overall impact. Some of these are expanding our paving project to eliminate trucks parked in graveled areas, providing a shelter for our pallets to provide an extra layer of stormwater protection, and recycling or disposing of equipment stored in our boneyard. If you have any questions regarding our stormwater pollution prevention plan or our spill response and procedures, please reach out to our sheet coordinator for assistance. It's the responsibility of all of us here at Coppers to pitch in and help protect our environment. It's the only one we have, and it's our duty to take the time to keep it clean, which will ultimately lead us to our zero waste goals.